Hey guys, I'm coming back to you with another unboxing, and this one's a big one for me because I almost called it out, but you'll see, right? I just stabbed the hole, but you'll see. 3, 2, 1. Signed, Ken Griffey Jr., MLB 2017, MLB The Show 17. I'm about to unbox this, yep. As if you guys don't know, I'm a baseball player. And yep. And I'm doing this one super efficiently. As you guys have been seeing that and actually this is for PlayStation 4, so I'll be showing you guys some episodes with this. But I'm not gonna be stopping the WWE. Oh, it's a beauty. It's a beauty. I need to get WWE out or Uncharted. I'll get WWE out, I'm pretty sure. Or Uncharted, I think Uncharted is. Yep, Uncharted is in there. I need to load up this baby. I need to see how this looks. So basically, that's all it is for this episode. My next episode is basically gonna be in like 5 minutes.
Oh, thank God she's not officially on the jury. She hates me. She must love
It's gonna be in like
Since Margaret died,
5 minutes, right after this one.
My garbage.
So see you guys in the next episode. It's gonna be on my PlayStation 4.
Hey,
subscribe, leave a like, comment. Goodbye.
This is the worst party ever.